In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the privacy of your channel in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to switch a channel between public and private, what each option means, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, make sure you're signed into Zoom and you're looking at Team Chat. Team Chat is where your channels live. You'll find it in the Zoom interface, typically in the main navigation. Click Team Chat to open your chats and channels. This puts you in the right place to manage the channel you want to update. Next, find the specific channel whose privacy you want to change. Hover over its name to reveal more options, then click the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, on that channel. This opens a context menu tied to that channel, giving you access to channel-specific controls. From that menu, choose More Actions. This expands the available options and leads you to the settings you need. If you don't see More Actions, you may not have the necessary permissions. Only channel owners or users with the right role can edit channel details. In that case, check with your admin or a channel owner. Now, select Edit Channel. This opens the Channel Settings panel or dialog, where you can see the channel's name, description, members, and the controls that define how people can find and join it. Inside the Edit view, look for Channel Type. This is where you change the privacy. Choose the setting that fits your needs. Public channels are discoverable by people in your organization, which makes them great for broad topics, announcements, or cross-team collaboration. Private channels are restricted. Members must be invited, and the channel won't show up in general search or browsing, which is ideal for sensitive projects or limited audiences. When you switch the channel type, Zoom may prompt you to confirm the change, and some organizations may have policies that limit changing from public to private or vice versa. If you see a confirmation or a policy notice, follow the prompt or contact your admin for help. Before you finish, take a moment to consider the impact of your choice. Making a channel private improves control and confidentiality, but reduces discoverability. Making it public increases visibility and makes it easier for colleagues to find and join. It's also a good idea to let current members know about the change so expectations are clear. That's it. You clicked Team Chat, opened the channel's menu with the three dots, chose More Actions, went into Edit Channel, and changed the channel type. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in Zoom.